What's up, guys? This is Noah here, and it's almost dinner time, and we're gonna eat
some yummy octopus. So we're gonna just drop it in the pot. I wanted to show everybody the pot, boiling water. Oh,
too much.
all right. So
Better not mix the fire.
now we're going to somehow transfer this into the pot without spilling on Mom's floor. She won't be happy, will she?
No, not at all.
Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay.
Oh, it dripped.
All right.
One piece. It dripped. Oh, that's so gross.
All right, see if we can find the head here. Here it is.
Ew. Is that the eye?
I don't know. But it's big.
Not as big as other octopuses.
Want to try it raw?
No, I'll die.
All right. Here we go.
Oh, that's so gross. We would definitely
Dropping it in the water.
So wicked.
Oh, it's
Show the
bubbling.
dog.
Look at that.
Show the dog.
Look at that. Bubbling.
Yeah, Dad, show the dog.
Wicket. Hey. Hi, Wick. Okay. Hey, we'll be back to eat octopus.